morning, everybody. This is Rajapai Mach, Assistant Professor of History, GFGC Shikaripura, Shumaga, District, Karnataka. Today I am presenting parental involvement in children's higher education in rural area. Friends, philosophers and thinkers from Socrates and Plato down to Dewey and Gandhi have tried to define education in accordance with their own philosophy of life, with the result that there emerged widely different definitions. This is quite natural, as subject of educational is not statics. It deals with the easier growing and ever changing society. Education may be described in its most accepted meaning as deliberate and conscientious effort exerted by the state, society, college, and home towards and welfare of the growing child in order to mold him to in a being that will fit in society which he lives. Education is a continuous process from the cradle to grow, that is womb to tomb. There is saying that family is an elementary college and mother is the first teacher. The home has an important role in the education of the children. Pallet says that the home is the original institution from the which all other institutions developed. In spite of all the best efforts made in colleges to raise the abilities, capabilities, and other personalities characteristics of children, it is not possible to obtain the optimum level of education goal, that is all around development of one's personality in a social context. One of the major factors influencing educational product is parental behavior. In fact, parental influence on the children's personality remains throughout life the most pervasive of all influences. A teacher can influence a children roughly a year, whereas a parent has considerable influence on children for nearly 21 years. Commonly, parents do not realize the significance of their parents in children's academic activities. A comprehensive amount of research work done in the field of parental behavior clearly indicates its significant influence on the children's various characteristics. Academic achievements has been evidences by Wilson 1976, Edwards 1976, and other influenced by parental behaviors. Better academic achievements and favorable attitudes towards reading have been found to be associated with parental interest in academic affairs in the study by Fields 1975 with parental involvement in children's education by Wilson 1976 and O'Neill 1978 in their studies. It's wrong to think the education in a college is the exclusive responsibilities and privileges of teachers. Parents also have an equal share shaping and building the career of their children. In whom there is a group of members which provides intimate face-to-face interaction which is more educative than other personal interaction. A home in an environment that encourages learning is more important to study achievement than income, educational level, or cultural background. When parents are involved at college as well as at the home. Children do better and stay in college longer. When children and parents talk regularly about college, children perform better academically. Modern education being children centered, the emphasis is laid on the all round development of the children, which is made possible in suitable environment at home, having right parent children relationship. Parents' behavior towards the children is an important educational foundation on which children formal school learning is built. Accumulating researches on parent behavior suggests the need to develop a system of education which recognizes the important educational role of parents. Few countries have clearly established policies and procedures for improving home college collaborations. As a result, the nature and scope of such cooperation tend to vary widely between and within colleges. One of the reasons of lack of systematic parental involvement is that while the benefit of parental involvement in their children's education seems to obvious, there has been little research to document the utility of the various forms this can take. The perplexing phenomena of academic under the achievement and failure among the students of various stages of education have been and continues to a cause of great concern to educationist, teacher, guidance counselor, and educational planners the world over. One of the major factors influencing educational product is parental behavior. Though it is a significant factor, numbers of researches conducted in this area are negligible. The study entitled as Study of the Effectiveness of Parental Involvement on Academic Achievement Among Higher Education in Rural Area. The present study has tried to study the effectiveness of parental involvement and academic achievement among the colleges students of Soraba, Shivamoga district. Objectives: to estimate the extent of relationship between parental involvement and academic achievement among the students, to find out the difference between higher achievers and low achievers with respect to parental involvement, to find out the difference between boys and girls academic achievement, to find out the difference between boys and girls on high and low parental involvement. Education as the instrument of all the around the development, especially economic, social and political development of nation, has been acknowledged by all national leaders and educationalists since independence. It is wrong to think that education in a college in exclusive responsibilities and privilege of teachers. Parents also have an equal share in shaping and building the careers of their children. In a home, there is a group of members which provide the intimate face-to-face interaction which is more effective than income, educational level or cultural background. Academic achievement is of paramount importance, particularly in the parent socio-economic and cultural context. Obviously, in the college, great emphasis is placed on achievement right from the beginning of formal education. The college has its own systematic hierarchy which is largely based on achievement of performance rather than description or quality. Thus, the college tends to emphasize achievements which facilities, among other things, the process of role allocation for the social system. The perplexing phenomena of academic under the achievement of failure among the students of various stages of education have been and continue to be causes of great concern to educationalists, teachers, and guidance counselors, and educational planners the world over. Parents' participation in children's academic activities also play an important role in enhancing the level of children's academic achievements. Thus, we can conclude that when parents are involved in their children's education at home, they do better in colleges. And when parents are involved in colleges, children go further in college and colleges they go to are better. Suggestion: proper awareness for laws should be there. The law should not be restricted to papers only, but implementation of law should be there are ever parents and can be familiar with their rights. Significant steps should be taken implement all of the law which are amended to facilitate detection, prevention, and punishment of crimes against the parents. Strict implementation of the schemes and policies for parents' empowerment should be done. Conclusion: India as a country is still recovering from years of abuse in the time of the Raj and more years economic suffering at the ends of the license Raj. It is only now the globalization, liberalization, and other socio-economic forces have given some respite to the large proportion of the population. However, there are still quite a few areas where parent empowerment in India is largely lacking. Truly understand what parents empowerment is, there needs to be a sea change in mindset of the people in the country, not just the parents themselves, but the man have to wake up the world that is moving towards equality and equity. It is better that this is embraced earlier rather than later for our own good. We have many schemes, many programs for the purpose of empowerment at every stage of administration. All we need is a good system and agencies, parents, for the implementation of these policies and programs. And if we can build up that system, if we can implement these programs, then the goal of parents empowerment can be achieved very easily through these programs. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Arise away and stop not until the goal is reached." Thus, our country should thus be capitulated into horizon of empowerment of parents and reveal in its glory. We have a long way to go, but we will get there someday. We shall overcome. If we want to see the global economy prosper, we must exact domestic policy and structural reforms that will empower parents. Flexing what has been an underutilized muscle will enable to realize new measurable gains, including the credible responsible to the concern around the growing with inequality. Thank you.